Then I'll let you come take that. Allow me to introduce myself. What's up, y'all? Alright, this your girl. Y'all can call me Taylor, okay? When we get a little bit more acquainted, then I'll let you call me Tay. So today I'm doing a review on ISEE. Oh shucks. ISEE hair company from ALIEXPRESS. And I bought some hair from them. I'm not about to sit here and say that they sponsoring this video. No, they're not sponsoring nothing. Although y'all can, but we're not there yet. So anyways, they are not sponsoring this video. I bought this hair myself. And I bought a 613 wig, 12 inches. And I was like, ooh, let's do some color. Let's spice it up a little bit. So, if you're here, you probably know what the outcome is looking like. And you was like, girl, let me see how she got that. But you didn't know that I'm going to do a giveaway as well. So, if you stay to the end of the video, boo, you're going to find out about this giveaway. So, let's get into it. And do it. And do it. Alright, y'all, what's up? So today we're going to get into this review. ISEE Beauty Hair, an AliExpress company. And this is their packaging. It came in a black box. Real basic. And in it we have a 12-inch 613 unit. It's a blob. It's a blonde bob, okay? And it came with 2 wig caps. And their little ISEE company card. It has some information inside of it. If y'all order, y'all can look at it, but it was cool. Y'all, let me tell y'all though, this wig right here, okay, this is my first time ordering from their company, and I'm not even gonna lie, they were really cool. Like, their customer service was really on point. She was like, hey dear, hey dear, how are you? y'all know how these AliExpress companies be. Everybody is dear to them. But look, let's get into this wig though. It looked good. It came with 4 combs in there. I'm showing y'all the combs. Lace on the front and the back. I don't know why they do that, but they do that. This hair, y'all, it was so soft. I'm saying was like it's not, but it still is, but it's soft, y'all. Like, get into it. But we're gonna be changing the color up because I don't like this little Barbie look. Even though the hair is nice, we're gonna make it do what it do. Okay, so here we go. We got our Shimmer Lights shampoo and my little bucket. Y'all, let me tell y'all, I was having a difficult time with this bucket now. But continue watching and y'all gonna see. So I got this little Shimmer Lights shampoo, and what I'm just doing is I'm putting some hot water in there first because there's not a lot in there, and I don't want to just put it in the bucket because I see a lot of people talking about how they have a difficult time mixing the shampoo, so diluting the shampoo in the water, and it comes out real patchy, and I just really wasn't trying to go for that look. So I put the hot water in the bottle and I shook it up some. As you can see, I'm shaking it up, stirring it, trying to get the shampoo to thin out. And then I'm just going in there and putting some hot water up in my bucket, and I'm going to just pour that in there. And you see how it's not like all thick? This works if you have a smaller bottle, because you see I have 2 bottles, so the big bottle was new. This one is older, and I only had a little bit in there, so I'm just putting the hot water in there, and this worked out really well. So I think, well, I don't think, I'm going to keep this bottle, and I'm going to continue to put the shampoo up in there. So I'm just shaking it up. You see me shaking, and putting that hot water in that bucket because we are going to tone this 613 hair. Yes, but we're going to get rid of that just yellow Barbie doll type of look that we not going for. I'm back with the spoon, and I really just wanted to mix that shampoo into that water. Make sure it wasn't no shampoo up in there because I'm really trying to avoid that patchy looking look. I don't got no time for that. Okay, okay. So I'm just stirring, mixing that up, and I got me a little spoon with some holes in it just to make it really do what it do, you know, do what it really do. So I'm gonna put that down, and I'm gonna pick up my wig. Boom, bam, got it. And basically, we're just gonna be dipping that wig into that water, and it's gonna, you know, bring out this really like grayish, whitish type of color. It's gonna look, yeah, it's kind of like a gray, but they say it's white hair. Oh, y'all, I got so scared when this happened. This bucket was giving me oh, oh, I wanted to fight. I really wanted to fight the bucket because it was just not cooperating with me. But see how I'm got it positioning like, geez, Louise, just help a sister out. Like I'm having a hard time. But just keep dipping that wig in there. This water was so hot, so please be careful not to burn yourself. Um, I did not boil my water. I just used my regular sink water, as y'all could see, and that worked perfectly for me. I have boiled my water before, but I don't really think it's necessary. Well, I'll continue to tell y'all, but right here it wasn't necessary. I just went ahead and just used my sink water, and it got really hot. So we're just gonna keep dipping that in there. I would recommend that you get a brush, a comb brush, and comb out your wig as you're doing this because you do want to make sure that that water is getting into every part of your wig and seeping into every strand of the hair so that everything is evenly colored. You will see me grab my brush in a second, but I'm really just trying to get that shampoo water everywhere. That's why I'm gonna just call it that shimmer light shampoo water. Okay, I'm just trying to get that everywhere. And I want to tell y'all, I left this in here for overall like 45 minutes in different increments because I fake left this in here for 15 minutes the first time. So because this is not the color that I'm going for, I just need a little bit more. We gonna do this over. And I'm telling y'all, I did this 3 times. A total of 3 times for 15 minutes. The first one was a fake 15 minutes. The second one was for real. The third one was for real. And you can see me, I'm taking that big shimmer light. Remember I told you I got a big and a little one. I took the big one, put some up in there, put the hot water in there, shook it up, put it in the water. Did the whole process over because I just wanted the right color. I just wanted this to be bomb. So I'm not gonna make y'all watch this whole thing like me constantly do it, but I just want y'all to understand it's a process. Alright, baby? Be patient. Here we go. Alright, y'all, and she like that. She working that back. She don't know how to act. Slow motion for me. Oh, slow motion for me. Oh, slow motion for me. Moving slow motion for me. Oh, slow motion. Oh, y'all. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Oh, oh, oh. There she go. There she go. That's what you want. That's what you want to do with it. That's what you want to do with her. Y'all see that? Mm-hmm. Yes, baby. And boom. So, this is the color, y'all. This nice icy blue. And as you can see, I have my blue rubber bands at the bottom because today we're going to do a little rainbow look. I got it sectioned off into 3 parts. This is the first color I'm going to be using. Raging Red by Adore. And then I'm going to go in with my neon pink from Adore as well. So yeah, then we got the, what is it? It's the orange. sunrise orange. I'm using all Adore colors, y'all. And this is the order I'll be going in. And then we have the green apple by Adore as well. Next, coming up, indigo blue. Bloop, 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 bloop. And lastly, we have that periwinkle by Adore. So I'm using all Adore colors. And that's the order the colors will be in. Also, didn't have multiple mixing bowls. I just put, my little colors on there, y'all. It got a little ratchet. It's a little messy, but the hair ain't gonna look ratchet. That's all we worry about, how the hair come out. So, don't judge me. And this color was cute, y'all. I don't know. Maybe I should do one just like this. I like it. So the first thing I went ahead and did was grab my spray bottle and I wet the hair a little bit. Y'all, when coloring hair, it's just so much easier to work with when the hair is a little damp or wet or whatever. So I wet it and then I went in with that ruby red color. And that's what y'all see me putting on there first. We're going to put that on the end of the hair. And yeah, y'all, it's just really like simple. I'm just going to be painting the color onto there. I'm going to go in the order that I showed you all the colors. And yeah. Look, y'all. I had to let my baby get in the camera, y'all. This my baby. Oh, you think I'm talking about the wig? Nope. Boop. That's my baby right there, y'all. That's my brother. He just wanted to say hi to y'all, so I'm letting the man say hi. Originally, guys, I was planning to only color the tips of the hair. That's why you can see that the hair is straightened. But I did decide a couple days later that I wanted to give the hair a little bit more oomph. So in the front, I decided to color it both purple and red, like on the left and the right side, how they're coordinate the colors with the front of the hair. And I use the same exact method, wetting the hair and coloring it just how I did on the tips. So with the power of editing, boom. This is the final look. Yes, this is how she came out. Really pretty, really cute. And now let's get into this giveaway. Bye, y'all. Thanks for watching. Alright, baby boo. So if you made it to the end of this video, first of all, let me just say thank you because I put a lot into editing this video, y'all. People be saying they want to do YouTube. This is a lot. Okay, that's a lot. But I'm going to stop talking because this is what you came for, the giveaway, right? I know. So here it go. Okay, I'm going to be giving 3 individuals, 3 young ladies, a free install. So, 1 traditional, 1 closure, and 1 frontal install, all free on me. No, I will not be providing any hair, but baby, take advantage of this. So, if you're interested, then listen to what it is that you gotta do, okay? It's only 4 little things, okay? First of all, subscribe. Yeah, you knew that was coming, huh? Yep, subscribe. Number 2, follow my hair page. If you want to see more wigs like this that's going to be for sale like her, I need you to follow my page at tays.wiggingout because we wigging out over here. Let me calm down with the head movements. I'm excited. Number 3, I need you to share the post on your story, the specific post that's announcing my giveaway, and also tag 3 friends underneath said post. And that's it. Just a little time. But I don't want none of your coins. I just need a little bit of your time. You feel me? So you give a little, I give a little. So work with me so I can work with you. Okay, baby? So I'm excited. This is the start of a new beginning. So let's get to it.